Good morning from day 44. Traveler found his little friend eating cereal. And got the fire going.
What you doing?
So we're all just chilling out by the fire early in the morning, just waiting to go Aqua blaze. So everybody here. So yeah, just relaxing until we head on out. So we'll see you guys later.
Round two. Oh, this is wonderful. What can you say?
We're all just hanging out, waiting, so we can go kayaking.
Getting it done. Nice. Trying not to drop the cell
Aqua blazing.
Loving it. Oh, here we go.
Campsite sitting right off the lake. That would be nice. I feel like we're back home on Lake George kayaking. There's Traveler. This is awesome. We got a bigger group over here. Everybody else. Lots of fun. All right, we've reached the island and just out here enjoying it. You can see all of our kayaks here. Everybody just chilling out. My love over there on the swing. All right.
Woo! Cool.
Hop back.
Hello, hello.
Having fun.
Yeah, it is, isn't it?
This is awesome. So much fun out here.
Who all jumped in the water? You jumped in the water?
There is a swing here by the water. This is amazing. So nice. Water, sunshine. This aqua blazing is amazing. Oh, and there's some butterflies. Let's see if I can get them on camera.
Swing. Have fun, dang it.
I don't know how much it's gonna hold.
It held my fat ass. I think you're good. So, if you remember a few episodes ago, we were at Yeehaw Brewing out in Johnson City. I met him there, and then I paddled this island on an aqua blaze. Boom! Here's JR chilling.
I'm everywhere.
Yeah. And you know what he did? He told me that if I have any problems, give him a call. Boom, he'll pull me off trail and probably bring me beers.
Yep. We like our through hikers.
Yeah. Appreciate you, man.
That's it, buddy.
Hey, you want to say hi?
Sure.
Hey, tell him how you got your trail name.
Hey, hello, my trail name's Maniac, and it's because obviously I'm from Maine, and I'm also, my family thinks I'm crazy for doing this. But it's awesome.
is.
It's great. I'm just only a little psychotic.
Yeah, he's insane. I think we all are. You want to say hi?
Sure.
Let's tell us how you got your name.
I am Starburst, and I got the name because I like Starburst, my favorite trail candy.
You have some on you right now? Because
I don't. They're back in my backpack.
She was just chowing them down.
I was.
I watched. And Stand by one. I'm gonna not try to fall on this shit. Yeah, I'm crawling over stuff. It's your turn.
Howdy. Traveler here christened me Hands Up
Hands up.
because I woke up to a couple cops with their guns drawn on me a couple nights ago because there was a shooting. So it's pretty funny.
Yeah. He used to be chef, but yeah,
Man.
hands up's way better.
Oh yeah.
Right on.
Thanks,
Appreciate
man.
you.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we're having a good old time here. Look at. I think he's talking to you right now. You'll see that in a minute.
Coming up to the bridge. This is fun. Got a little bit of cloud cover, but it's okay. Still enjoying all of this. It's beautiful. There's my love, and there's the rest of the peoples having fun. And I'm drifting away, so I gotta let you go so I can get back to paddling.
All right, so we are aqua blazing, and I don't know if I told you what aqua blazing is, but from Boots Off Hostel, the ATC has authorized, instead of walking the 21 miles, to kayak it, which is pretty sweet. So we have opted for that version. You know, it helps sunflowers' shin splints heal a little bit, and it's just something fun. It breaks up the monotony of walking and looking at your feet nonstop. So this is pretty cool. You know, Sunflower and I love kayaking when we're home. You know, she tools around while I fish. It's just such a good time. Shit ton of boats out here, which makes pretty good waves, which is a lot of fun. And yeah, we're just sending it. I think we're roughly maybe halfway-ish, but it's pretty cool. So I gotta go catch up there, buddy, because I'm just kind of floating right now. We'll see you in a bit.
This is fun.
Hey, baby.
We have come to our destination. Woohoo! And I'm floating away. Once I get over there, here I'll show you where everybody's going. Right over there. And that's where I gotta get to. So, alright, gotta let you go so I can paddle on over.
That's 21 miles.
Aqua blazing for the first time this trip is in the books. Actually, we plan on doing it again in the Shanties.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure we are. It's just way too much fun. It's pretty freaking awesome. So this is kind of like home, you know. We are always on our kayaks back home, so this kind of reminds me of it. It's gonna be awesome.
Married to the trail.
Everybody say hi.
How are you guys? Nah, it's gonna be cool to have an adventure buddy out here.
Well, the aqua blaze was amazing, but now we gotta walk. That was awesome, though. We got off the water and we ate at a local restaurant owned, you ready for this? By a retired Air Force dude, ammo troop. So that was awesome. I sat and talked to him for quite a while, actually. It was a good time. Good food, too.
Yes, it was.
And now we get to walk. Change of plans, though. It's late in the day, but we think we're gonna walk till close to dark because tomorrow is the rain, and we're gonna try to make it to Damascus in the rain so we don't have to pitch our tent.
Yeah.
So we're just gonna walk late tonight. We don't have to go fast or hard. You know, that did not sound good. I don't even know what words to use now. Anyway, we're just gonna take a leisurely stroll, stop sometime tonight, and finish up tomorrow into Damascus, which is pretty cool.
Yeah.
Pretty stoked about that. So we'll catch up with you down here somewhere. As Pink Hot Dog would say, that's an icon of the AT right there. What would you say?
Yes.
That's it? That's all you got?
It's an icon.
Hey, that's all you get. That's all you get back home, folks, is yes. Hands up, didn't even know his name.
Here we go. I love this walking. This is awesome. Check out the blaze. Woo!
I know it's a white blaze. It's like, I haven't seen any of those.
This is awesome field walking. It's amazing. Especially after aqua blazing. Woo!
Especially after stuffing my fat face with all that food.
Yeah, that too.
I am not feeling great, but the hell with it. It's awesome.
I had loaded bacon, cheese, jalapeno fries with ranch. Oh, that's one of my favorites. And I've been craving it.
Yeah,
And
fries, bacon, cheese, and jalapeno.
Yeah, it was so good. Oh my gosh.
And I had a salad bar and a big fatty boom batty cheeseburger.
Yeah, it was really good food. So if you ever go to Boots Off, definitely Aqua Blaze if you can. That was so fun. It's just amazing. You can see everybody up ahead, and there's one behind that we all went together with. It was so fun.
Oh, they cheated. I'm going the AT route. Cheating bastards.
All right.
I'm gonna pull.
Try not to step on the buggy.
All right. Just some random bench on trail. That's a bit all right.
While we're at Boots Off this morning, waiting to Aqua Blaze, we decided to weigh our packs and see how much they weighed. So without water, I was at 22 and Traveler was at
25.
Yep.
That's with only 2 days of food and no water. So right now I'm carrying 27 and she's carrying 24.
Yeah.
Which is awesome, only having 2 days of food.
Yes.
Food's like the heaviest thing in our pack.
Yes, and water. And oh my gosh, it feels great. And this path is like good.
Technically mine's 27 and 12 ounces because I packed out a beer.
But yeah, so we're very happy with where our packs are weighing at right now. And then when we even get rid of all of our didn't like it. Get rid of all of our winter stuff. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be even lighter.
I'll drop almost a pound. Probably 12 ounces I'll drop.
Yeah, I'll probably drop maybe the same. I don't know. I've got my sleeping clothes, and I might get rid of my sky goat and just keep my jacket.
That's a ballsy move.
So, yeah. But I'm excited for it. I like it. So, yeah, it's fun. It's good. And this is going up, so I'm letting you go.
Well, it's 6 o'clock and we're still hiking, trying to put the miles down today. It's a huge day for us, biggest day so far. Our shadows are getting real long. It's getting late, but we still got, I think the earliest we're gonna stop is gonna be 2.2 miles from here. So roughly an hour. And we'll see after that. I assume that's probably a pretty good guess where we're going. So as you can tell, I'm going uphill. At the end of the day, what a great time. No, but we hammered some miles today with the Aqua Blaze. Long ass day of hiking. We did a good job. Her shin is feeling great, she said. So that's pretty awesome. That makes me feel so much better. But I can't catch my breath, so I'll talk to you when we get to camp. So that plan failed, and there was a few spots, but they were taken, and there was a shitty spot. So we decided to move on, and we're looking for a spot. And worst case scenario is ahead of us about an hour, which is going to be just at sunset, is a shelter. So if we don't find nothing between here and there, we will be going to the shelter tonight, which is pretty cool because, you know, it keeps us getting closer and closer to Damascus. Hikertown, USA, baby. All right, folks, that was a monster day. So I don't think it's ever going to happen again, but we just ripped out 30.3 miles total with the Aqua Blaze and hiking together. It's 8:35-ish when we got to camp, so the sun had already set, but there's still ambient light. Oh, listen, that sounds cool. I was just telling Sunflower this yesterday that right before dark, the birds just take off chirping and then they just stop. That's pretty cool. Anyway, big day. This sets us up for a, I say short day. Like a month ago, 12 miles was like a long ass day, but nice short day tomorrow to get into Damascus. So, yeah, good day. The aqua blazing was so fun. We needed it. I'm going to be honest with you. For the last 2 days, I've been in a kind of a funk where I didn't want to be here. I tried putting on a happy face for Sunflower just so she don't shit on her mood or whatever, but it was tough.
I knew you didn't want to. I could tell.
But it's okay. I love being in a kayak. I love being on water, so that was awesome.
It was fun, but now my back and my shoulders are killing me. Holy crap.
It's better than your shins killing you?
Yeah, my shins feel great.
I mean, I really do look like Santa Claus in the dark. There you go, Mom. Look like ho, ho, ho. Those are the birds, listen. That's awesome. I love it. All right, we're going to wrap this up because we are dog-ass tired, so.
Yeah.
All right, we'll see y'all tomorrow. We're going to try to get up really early to try to beat the rain into Damascus.
Yes, hopefully we do. If not, well, we'll just hike in the rain.
Hiking in the rain's fine. Just pitching a tent sucks. So
yeah.
we don't have to do that tomorrow.
Yes.
All right. We'll see you in the morning.
Bye.
Bye.
Good night.